In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can switch accounts or step away securely without any confusion. First, make sure the Gemini app is open on your Windows desktop. Look to the upper right corner of the app window. You'll see your profile indicator there. This might be your Google account photo or a colored circle with your initial. Click that profile icon. Doing this opens your account menu, which is where Gemini keeps quick access to your account settings and identity controls. If you don't immediately see it, try maximizing the window or checking for a small circular icon near the top right edge. Next, in the menu that appears, select Manage Profiles. This section is designed to help you control which Google account is currently active in the app. It's a safe place to make changes. You're not deleting anything here, just managing which profile is signed in. Think of it as the control room for switching or signing out of your Google identity within the Gemini app. If your window is compact, this option might be near the top of the menu. Expand the window if needed to reveal it clearly. Now, locate your account name within the Manage Profiles view. Right beside your name, you'll see a small right-facing arrow. Click that arrow. This expands your account details and brings up the controls you need to complete the sign-out. From there, you'll see the option to sign out of the app for that profile. Proceed with the sign-out, and if you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm. Once it completes, you'll be returned to the app's Welcome or Sign-In screen, ready to choose a different account or close the app. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're acting on the correct one before you expand it. Signing out here removes the session from the Gemini Windows app, but your conversations and settings remain tied to your Google account online, so they'll be there when you sign back in. If Manage Profiles doesn't appear as expected, try resizing the window or ensuring you're on the latest version of the app. And if the app looks briefly unresponsive after you click the arrow, give it a second. It may be refreshing the account panel. That's all there is to it. Click your profile, open Manage Profiles, and use the arrow beside your name to finish signing out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Gemini sessions with confidence.